And welcome back. With the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica hitting out at the decision to stage the ASA Boys and Girls Championships this year, one of the nation's leading coaches is reminding stakeholders of the value of the event to student athletes. Jordan Fort reports.
Interim President of the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica, NPTAJ, Mitzi Harris-Dillon, says the stakeholder body has major concerns about this year's staging of the ASA Boys and Girls Championships. They say the risks of infection and transmission of COVID-19 are still far too high to have such an event. But added to her concern is the fact that they're still in the dark as to what protocols will be in place to keep student athletes safe throughout the 5-day event.
Outside of what would have been shared by the Ministry of Sports or the Ministry of Health late last year or into early this year, what are the specific protocols now in place as a body that represents our parents? We need to be certain that our families and our children are being protected.
Harris-Dillon says the resources which will be allocated to staging champs would be better used to help increase the number of students who have access to online learning.
So to appeal to your sponsors to collaborate on some scholarships for the very student athletes and channel the funds elsewhere, and then you use whatever results they would have gotten from class 3 or class 2 the year before, along with their academic results, and create some special scholarships that would, as it is, when the 2,000 plus students normally participate in champs each year, it's less than 2% that actually end up with scholarships.
But the idea of trying to use past results and academic performance to earn scholarships won't necessarily work in the real world, according to Hydel High track coach Corey Bennett. He cited a recent personal experience.
3 days ago, I tried to get one of my athletes into a school, so I tried to, because I thought track and field wasn't going to start, but I thought I'd go a different route and try to see how better I could market my athlete. Needless to say, 2 coaches said to me, this is somebody who has straight 1 in TVJ, by the way, and this is her last year. And the coach said, well, her times have to be faster. And I said, yeah, I understand that, but given the situation, I haven't got a chance to compete very regularly. Yeah, but unfortunately, I can't help you. And that was like the sentiment from about 3 or 4 other coaches.
Bennett admitted he was torn on the issue, being a coach and also a parent, but says he believes if protocols are followed, the championships can be safe for all. He is reminding those who aren't in favour of the staging of champs that the opportunities which exist from the 5-day meet are once in a lifetime.
So yeah, we're losing a lot. We're losing persons rapidly, and my recent quote-unquote champion, Ashanti Moore, if we never had champs in 2019, she would not be a signed professional right now. And we don't know how many other persons in 2020 missed the opportunity, and even in 2021 could possibly have missed the opportunity.
The championships, which is scheduled for May 11 to 15, will have significantly fewer teams participating this year. A number of events will also be contested as straight finals, and no spectators will be in attendance. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.